Mind-blowing and amazing facts about cockatiel. Cockatiels have also been introduced to other parts of the world, particularly as popular pet birds. They can now be found in many countries across the globe, including the United States, Europe, and Asia. However, it's important to note that their highest concentration in natural habitat are in Australia. Cockatiels are native to Australia and are primarily found in the wild in various regions of the continent. Cockatiels are native to Australia and are one of the most popular pet birds in the world. They were first discovered in the mid-1700s. Despite their small size, cockatiels are known for their impressive vocal abilities. They can mimic a wide variety of sounds, including human speech, tunes, and other household noises. Cockatiels are highly intelligent birds. They can be trained to perform tricks, solve puzzles, and even play games with their owners. Cockatiels are social creatures and crave interaction. They enjoy spending time with their human companions and can form strong bonds with them. Male cockatiels are excellent singers. They use their melodious calls to communicate with other birds and to attract mates. Cockatiels have a unique feather crest on the top of their heads, which they can raise or lower depending on their mood. The crest can also be an indicator of their overall health and emotions. These birds are known for their dance moves. Cockatiels often sway, bob their heads, and even synchronize their movements with music, showcasing their natural rhythm. Cockatiels have a lifespan of around 15 to 20 years in captivity, although some have been known to live even longer with proper care and a balanced diet. Cockatiels are excellent at mimicking human speech. While they may not have the extensive vocabulary of larger parrots, they can learn and repeat words and phrases with practice and training. Cockatiels are known for their playful and curious nature. They enjoy exploring their surroundings and are often seen investigating new objects or toys with great enthusiasm. I hope you liked the video.